Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Prada sunglasses, model SPR-17W in color code 1AB-5S0. The color of the frame is black. And these glasses are a rectangular shape. The lenses are dark gray. The temples are also black. And you'll find this pattern going across the temple and the Prada Milano logo on its temple in silver. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. And these lenses are UV protected. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Prada logo, that it's made in Italy, and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 49 is for its lens, 20 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Prada gift box with a Prada logo inside of the box. A Prada case with a Prada logo on the front of the case. And also on the inside of the case. A Prada cleaning cloth. A manufacturer booklet, and this manufacturer is Luxottica. And a Prada dust bag. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any of the frames, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.